Hi, I'm Chris from Chipsaway Wokingham. Today we're going to be repairing this silver alloy. As you may or may not be able to see, it's been damaged by hitting the curb around this area here. First of all, what I did was I removed the wheel from the car. I've thoroughly cleaned it inside and out, and I've also Scotch-Brighted the whole area. The Scotch-Brighting is to allow the lacquer, the adhesion, to come onto the alloy at the end of the repair. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to sand down the repair. I always remove the dust cap just in case it does get in the way of the sander. Hi there, and now as you can see, the damage has been removed. I did this by starting off with a 180 grit sanding disc, which is a very abrasive, and it removes any of the damage required. After that, what you need to do is you need to start going down the grades or up. So after a 180, I went to a 240, which removes the 180 scratches. And then after the 240, I went to a 320, and then finally finishing on a 400 grade, which basically removes and only leaves in very, very small scratches, which you are able to paint over. What I will do next is I'll take it over to a mat. Now I always use a mat just to protect either the customer's driveway or the pathway. And the way in which I repair these is you have to make sure that every part of the tyre is protected. So first and foremost, what I will do is I will cover the valve. And I'll do this by using 1-inch masking tape, which can be easily removed at the end of the repair. Now, what I use spray out cards to put around the rim so that you don't get any overspray of the paint or lacquer going into the tyre. As you can see, they've been very well used. Finally, what I do, because alloy is a very, very cold metal, is I put the heat lamps on to warm up the alloy wheel for when it is ready to be painted. Right, now I put this on for about 20 minutes, so I have enough time to actually go and start mixing up the paint, ready to spray the alloy. Hi, right, the alloy is now warm. What I always try to do is I try to just use an airline blower just to blow off any excess dirt, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to get any dust particles in the paint when you start to spray. To find the colour for this alloy wheel, I have in the back of my van spray out cards for the different silvers, which is the predominant colour for alloy wheels. Now I've checked out the colour along with my spray out cards, and I found that the colour for this is an 8992, which is what I've already mixed into my gun, which is an LPH 80. And now we're going to start to spray the alloy wheel around the damaged area first, and once the damaged area has been covered sufficiently, we will blend out to the rest of the wheel, as this is a complete alloy wheel refurbishment. As you can see, this is a Steenel dryer, which is a bit like a hairdryer but a lot more powerful. So every time an application of paint is put onto the alloy wheel, we have to remove with a very, very thin coat of paint. And then we will dry that for 3 minutes. Today I'm going to be using my baby, which is a WS400, which has a 1.2mm fluid tip and needle. This I'm going to be using to lacquer the wheel. I've already ready mixed the lacquer, which I've done 60 grams of lacquer along with hardener and additive. Now this, you need to make sure that you're wearing breathing apparatus because it can get quite smelly. Right, I've just finished doing the second coat of lacquer. Now what we do is we have to make sure that we allow the lacquer to flash off for a minimum of 3 minutes, maximum of 5, and then we can put the lamps on. Right, as you can see, we've now been 5 minutes on the flash off time, and now it's ready to put the alloy wheel onto the lamps. Now I'm going to be putting this on for 45 minutes. Set. Right. See you in a bit. Right, the alloy wheel now has been on the lamp for 45 minutes. It's cooled down. The lacquer is now cured. So what we do now is we carefully remove the spray out cards from around the rim. Sure that you're pulling them away from the actual repair rather than into it. And then you need to remove the masking tape from around just carefully removing the masking tape from around the tyre valve. And as I said before, which I removed so that I didn't damage it, is to pop the valve cap back on. Now something I did remove from this wheel before was the actual centre cap. Again, being very careful because the alloy wheel, the lacquer on the alloy wheel is still very, very soft. And there you have it. If you have any damages to the alloy wheels, any paintwork scratches, bumper scuffs or minor dents, please get in contact with our website on www.chipsawaywokingham.co.uk. Thanks for watching Chipsaway Wokingham's YouTube channel. Thank you. Happy driving.